x minus 3 و x plus 3 special case. Why special case? If we have the two brackets, one of them plus and another minus with same bracket, same value inside the bracket, is called difference between two squares. This is a special case. It's called difference between two squares. The difference between two squares. To find the direct answer, write the sign negative between them. هقول ايه يا جماعه؟ different between. يعني subtract between two terms. Two square يعني خد the first term اعمله square. X square. Okay? And the second term square it will be يعني ايه square؟ يعني 3 multiply 3 multiply itself. It's called what? Different between two square. Important thing, x minus 9 and x plus 9, the same bracket, the same value, one of them positive and another negative. So how you can solve it? X power of 2. Why? X multiply x, x squared. Minus 9 multiply 9, 18. بس multiply itself.
هو دايما بنحطوه في البلس ماينس.
Yes دايما عشان اسمه ايه؟ different between two square. كلمة different اهي between two square. First one square and last one square. Maybe أوريك. Okay. 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 3. So two brackets between them. One bracket minus and another plus, the same idea. So negative at the first. Between them, special case. Between them, between two term negative. And 2x multiply 2x. 4x. جميل جدا. 4x power of 2. 3 multiply 3. Another one.
بس كيف بتسوي كيف خليتها واحدة؟
2x multiply 2x. 2x.
بس هو يعني
multiply 2x. Yes.
انت بس تحلين واحدة
بس. This is a very easy way, okay? 2 multiply 2 will be 4x multiply x squared. Like if we have another exercise number 4. Maybe write in here x power of 2 plus 5 and another one x power of 2 minus 5. How you can solve
X power of 4.
the same bracket, different sign? So it is called the special case what?
Negative.
Different between two square. Remember the name. Different between. So different between the first one square. يعني x power of 2 multiply x power of 2. It is called x power of 4. 5 multiply 5. 25. Okay. Our lesson today. The opposite operation. What is the meaning of opposite operation? I will study the first special case. Different between two square. You know what is the difference between two square? يبقى أنا دلوقتي هعمل إيه؟ Factorization. Factor. لمين يا بنات؟ The difference between two square. يعني إيه difference between two square? If we have exercise number 1, like x squared minus 9. Another exercise. X squared minus 25. Another exercise. X power of 4 minus 36. Yes, how the factorization? If we have any expression, I want to cut it. Okay, factor. Yes,
x minus 9 و x minus positive 9.
Yes. No.
X minus 3.
X minus 3 and x plus 3. احنا اتفقنا what is the opposite operation للpower? Root. Okay, what is the ultimate operation of power? Root. So if we have any expression زي يبقى أول حاجة هنبدأ الفاكتورايزيشن بالسبيشال كيس. إيه هو الفاكتورايزيشن؟ أول سبيشال كيس في الفاكتورايزيشن هي أهم سبيشال كيس في الفاكتورايزيشن. different between two square. different between هو شوفوا different between two squares. this square and this square. يعني إيه square؟ يعني ليه perfect number. يعني maybe 9. maybe 25, maybe 16, maybe 36, maybe 81, maybe 100, maybe 121. Two numbers multiply each other. The same number, okay? Okay. Yellow. So, and the first, if we have multiple choices, we can cancel the multiple choices if we put one of them positive and another negative. Okay? And what is the root for x squared? X. What is the root for 9? 3. And write it again.
ليش الروت حق اكس؟
بس عندي سؤال انت قلتي
بس ايش الروت حق اكس سكوير اكس؟
What is the root for x?
ليش؟
Root for x squared. If we have any root, write the x and divide 2, divide by 2. If we have x power of 4,
x power of 2.
x power of 2. If I will have x power of 6,
3 2
x power of 3, cube. عشان 6 divided by 2.
انا كنت
You remember it here, Okay. طيب. Who can help me to solve this one? Yes, yes, Sultana.
بس هذا x power of 2
X power of 2. Yes.
اوكي حيصير
X
plus 5
plus 5.
و x minus 5.
جميل. Any problem?
No.
No. Yeah. X power of 4. Yes.
x square
Excellent.
plus 6
Plus 6.
جت ثانية x
Square minus 6. It is very easy idea. This is a very important idea about factorization quadratic function. يبقى الفيرست idea هي السبيشال كيس. الصح في الفاكتورايزيشن عشان تدرسي الفاكتورايزيشن المفروض ما تدرسيهوش بنفس ترتيب الكتاب. الصح ان انت تعرفي ايه هي السبيشال كيس الاول. عرفتي السبيشال كيس؟ بعدين ناخد الرول اللي عليه. يبقى اول سبيشال كيس خدناها هي مين؟ الديفرنس between two squares. Yes.
بس هذا الارقام اللي كونستنت كان نسويها ديفايد بايش؟
لا root 36.
6.
Okay. This is special case of quadratic function. Quadratic equations. They quadratic with the power of 2. I solve with you now some exercise about this idea from your book. Yes. Yes, Rafiq.
هنحط bracket x negative 13 و x positive 13.
Why? Because it is quadratic, included the two terms. The first one square and the last one square equals to 0. Okay? Yes, yes, Adine. What is the root for 169? 13. Okay? 13 يا تالا. 13 multiplied 13 169. Yes, yes, Adine. Yes?
Negative 9.
9. And
X plus
9. Excellent. Any
برافو.
problem? It's very
لازم يكون يطلع صفر.
لا ركزت على الايكويشنز عشان هو كاتب صفر. هقول لك بعدين.
مثلا الصفر ايش حنسوي فيها؟
بعدين هقول لك.
يعني بس نكتبها دحين نستر
second part في الايديا ايوه.
السؤال سهل ما في زيرو ايكوال
مش
زيرو.
مشكلة. I will tell you how you can find the
الزيرو
zero.
بس يعني سؤال بس
لو هو كاتب الزيرو
لا اكتبها بعد ال 81
equals to zero.
اقفل براكت بعدين اكتب ايكوال.
ده first idea. Any problem?
لا
We studied before another important idea, if we have brackets with the power of 2. If we have A plus B power of 2. How you can find the A square,
B square.
B square,
Plus 2 multiply A, 2 multiply
B, and there's the sign in the middle, 2 A, B. Yes?
yes.
If we have another rule, the same idea but different number, sign, different sign, A minus B squared. What is the result now? Yes, what is the formula at the first? A
Negative.
squared
Negative.
B squared. Then
Negative.
all
هنا
the
positive.
دايما
هنا negative.
2 negative AB. I will give you example about this idea we studied before, and after that I will tell you about this idea. If we have any bracket, number 1, exercise number 1, maybe x minus 3 power of 2. Another exercise number 2, x plus 5 power of 2. في الحقيقة البراكت دوت ليه اسمه perfect square. اسمه ايه؟
Perfect square.
يبقى the second important case, if we have one bracket with the power, it's called perfect square. And perfect square, I will factor as the 3 term, or I expand it as the 3 term. The third term all the time positive. And the middle term, the sign like the sign in the middle. How you can find the value of the 3 term? What's this? Take the first one square. X multiply x. X power of 2. 3 power of 3. 3 multiplied by 3.
9.
Right. Any problem?
No.
And after that, multiply 2 multiplied by 3. Multiply having here 1. 1 multiply 2 multiply 3. 6. 6 multiplied by 1. 6 multiplied by 1. 6. 6. Any problem?
0.
6. 6. Okay. Yes, you're done. What is the type? What is the name for this bracket? Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Perfect square. You can help me how you can factor this perfect square? Excellent. And the last term? Excellent. Bravo. Excellent. What about the sign right in here? No, this sign, all sign positive. Okay? And the sign in here, like the sign of the middle term, the sign in the bracket equal what? Positive sign. So write in here positive. How you can find the middle term by the way? Multiply by what? عشان هنا number out. 2 multiply 5, 10 multiply by 1, it will be 10x. Another exercise. Number 3.
Let's split in x.
2 multiply 5.
Oh,
Okay, another exercise. If we have 2x minus 6 power of 2. Juan, tell me. What is the name for this bracket? What is the name for this bracket? Perfect square. So I have the 3 term. What is the name for the 3? How you can? What is about the sign in here? Positive. If assert the sign all the time for the perfect square, we should be positive, and the sign of the middle it will be negative. Excellent. How you can find this term? 2x multiply itself, yeah. 2x multiply 2x 2x multiply 2x 4x يا ترى 4x only 4x 4x squared 2 multiply 2 it would be 4x squared and the last term squared 6 multiplied by 6 36 Rahaf, how you can find the middle term 2 multiply 6 yes 2 times 6 times 2 excellent 2 times 6 12 12 times 2 24x right. Now I want to make factorization. What is the meaning of the factorization? If we have this formula, I want to rewrite as this formula.
كله يرجع له.
يلا
نسوي
نعمل
الحالة.
ازاي؟ يلا. At the first, I will write it some of the expression and tell me this is the perfect yes or no. Okay? If we write x squared plus 10x minus 25.
Not no, it's not.
Why?
Because the 10 nothing مكتوب يعني
10? No.
لا ما في
No.
عشان ما في روت 10 ما في 25 فيها
Because I have the third sign negative. أنا قلت لكم في البرفكت ينفع يكون في third sign negative؟
بس لازم في شيء ضرب مرتين.
Okay, بس third sign negative يبقى I can this is not perfect. You know يبقى لازم البرفكت أول شرط عشان أقدر أقول إن دي perfect ليه 3 important idea. تعالوا نشوف إيه هما 3 important idea. الفيرست idea أو first important note علشان أقدر أقول إن دوت perfect if I will give you this expression in the third term يكون positive. دي أول important information عشان يكون perfect yes or no. Second important information the first term you can find the root يعني أقدر أجيب الروت للفيرست term. Second term with third term أقدر أجيب له روت يا جماعة. طب تيجوا نشيك important information الأولانية موجودة ولا لأ؟ This third sign positive? Yes. You can find the root in here.
Yes.
What is the root for 36? 6. What is the root for 4x squared? 2x. 2x. يبقى I can write the root. I can find the root, okay? Like, what is the third important one?
3 numbers multiply each other.
No, the middle term, the second term, يكون 6 multiply 2 can. If we multiply by 2 again, give me the middle term. 24, so it's correct. I can find. Yeah, just start introduction, start the new one. Okay, I will write some of the function and you try to tell me it is the perfect yes or no. Okay, try to tell me it is the perfect. If we write it here, x squared, this quadratic, okay, minus 10x plus 25. I want to check this expression is perfect. Yes or no?
Yes.
I don't know. يلا check.
Yes.
يلا check. يلا. أول حاجة sign positive.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Is sign positive? Yes. Okay. What is the second idea? It is important. Yes, Rana? Yes. You can find the root for the third term. Yes. You can find the root for the first term. X. If we multiply this answer, multiply by 2, give me the middle term. Yes. Yes. It's correct. correct, so we should write it in here in negative and a factorization. Finish. كده انا خلصت الفactorization. Let's be sure. I will give you more exercise about this topic. Okay? This special case perfect described. This special case is perfect described. Okay? طيب. I will give you exercise now. Now. Exercise.